Using wraparound labelling when packaging your handmade soaps. We absolutely love this option for labelling your products. It takes the hard work out of trying to design what your end product is going to look like. It can be used on multiple other materials or by itself. You can purchase them pre-printed, so if you're not very tech savvy or you have no printer, these are absolutely ideal. It adds that product description and a bit of colour to your packaging. If you are able to design and print your own, that's even better, because you can have your own soap branding on the front and with your product type, and even include your ingredients, so when it's folded it will be showing at the back. Like I say, they can be used on all different other packaging materials, or they can be used as a standalone labelling. Very popular with cold process soap makers, because quite often your customer would like to have a smell and actually see the soap that they're buying. But if you're wanting to use them on melt and pour soap, or you need to be able to protect your product from dirt and like people's fingers from picking them up, then you can use cello wrap, and that will just protect the soap underneath, but will give the same effect with the labels.